Hey guys, it's Flip, and today I'm going to show you how to change the rear wiper blade on a 2020 Dodge Journey. So the key to removing this blade is you have to be able to open up this wiper arm, and you can't do that without first popping up this cap. So you're going to take this cap, pop it into the up position, then just rotate the wiper blade arm up. Then you'll take the wiper blade and it'll rotate until it kind of stops. Just push it past that point and then just pull it straight off just like that. Here's the wiper blade I'm going to put on. It's a 12A. I'll put a link to a wiper blade that works in the description under the video. So then we're just going to take our new blade with this cutout portion going towards the vehicle, and we're just going to slide it into this notch and then rotate it down and put it back in position. Then take your cap, push that back down, and you're all set. So hopefully that video helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.